When it comes to live streaming, the conversation always circles around the gear, the lights, the cameras, the microphone, your studio setup, etc. But one of the most often overlooked aspects of live streaming is optimizing your stream performance. If you have an older machine or you're just in a situation where you don't have as much bandwidth as say you want, getting a more optimized live stream, especially from your video assets, can make your stream a whole lot better. Video assets like clips, promos, and overlays can take up a lot of resources and cause your machine to bog down. Today, I'm going to show you how to make them much smaller so they're more manageable, and the key, not take away any quality, and the bigger key, absolutely free. Let's dive right in. Here are a bunch of video files that I have on my desk, and the one we're going to work with is this pour over file right here, which you see is 173.2 megabytes in size. The application that we're going to use in order to shrink this file is called Shutter Encoder. You can get this application for absolutely free, and of course the links are in the description. All I'm going to do is drag the file into Shutter Encoder. Now once we're inside here, we're going to do a couple of checks. We want to make absolutely sure that our function is set for VP9. You'll see there's many choices in here, but for today we want VP9. We also want to make sure that our extension is on WebM. If for some reason your streaming application does not support WebM, MP4 would be the best fallback. For now, we're going to stick to WebM. That's pretty much all you need to set. I will show you one more thing. If you're using an overlay and your video has a transparency, what you're going to want to do is select advanced functions and make sure enable alpha channel is turned on. For our case today, our video does not have transparency, so we'll leave that unchecked. I'm just going to press start function and let her rip. There you have it. In roughly 32 seconds, our file is done. Let's take a look and see what we ended up with. Our file that was here is now down to here. It went from 173.2 all the way down to 8 megabytes. That is 165 megabyte savings, and this will make your stream much faster. Let's take a look at what they look like. This is our original file, untouched at 173.2 megabytes. This is our new file after being compressed at only 8 megabytes. And for streaming purposes, you're not really going to see a major difference. You see, with a couple of steps like smashing your video files, we can get your machine to perform a heck of a lot better because it's not working as hard to play a 173.2 megabyte file. It only has to play an 8 megabyte file. Again, this works for pretty much any video content, and with WebM, it will even maintain sound and transparency if they are in your video. We'll be coming back at you with another video to show you how to compress your image assets in order to get some of the same results. Happy streaming.